Okay, kids, this is number 13 on Thursday's classwork that you should have done for homework to turn in Friday if you didn't finish it in class. So we're multiplying two binomials. Okay, I'm going to use the box method for the example. Okay. And I am multiplying 4p squared, which will go on this side, plus 2. Notice how I put the signs here. 3p and minus 1. Notice how I put the minus 1. Okay, when I multiply the first quadrant here, I'm going to put a 1 so that I know that that one counts as well. So the numbers first, 4 times 3 is 12. And then now the p. P to the second, p to the first. So that makes 3 of them. So p to the third power. Okay, and then for the other one, I'm going to do this one and this one. So first the numbers, 4 times negative 1 would be negative 4, and then between these two there's only that p squared. There's no p over here, so we just put the p squared there. Okay, for the next one, I have positive 2 times 3p to the first. So the numbers first, positive 2 times positive 3 would be positive 6. Notice how I keep putting the signs except for the leading coefficient, right, unless it's negative. So 3 times 2 is 6, and then there's only 1p. Okay, and then for the last one, positive 2 times negative 1 would give me negative 2. Okay, so after all that, I combine them together. Remember, these right here usually come together because they're like terms. However, in this one, we started with p squared. So notice this is a p and this is a p squared. This is a p to the third. So none of the quadrants are like terms on this number 13. This is the only one out of the worksheet where that you can't combine them because they're not alike. So we have to just write them in order of degree. And that's the answer.